We've all had that experience where it's hard to get skincare products to absorb into our skin. Sometimes when we're layering certain products, especially if they're from one brand and a different one, will pill up on the skin. Well, there is a device that has taken the skincare market by storm over the last year and a half or so, and I had the pleasure of trying it out. I'm going to tell you what it is, what it does, and how it can really make your skincare work for you, all in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Chris Gibson, a skincare expert of 35 years here helping people to look their best in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. So in short, if you're looking for a way to defy your age, be sure and subscribe. All right, as I said in the beginning, there is a skincare device, this one called Droplet, that has taken the skincare industry by storm, mostly because of the way it helps you apply skincare products to your skin. Now, I will interject here that this particular review for the Droplet device is non-sponsored. This is my personal experience with it over the past few months to let you guys know if I think it's worth it or not. Now, this device was developed with a lot of science-backed technology, and there are formulations that are used with this device that are specifically designed by dermatologists to be able to penetrate the skin up to 20 times, yes, 20 times deeper than when you apply them to your skin. Now, I would call this a contactless micro-infusion process. Now, we often think of micro-infusion using tiny little needles or even derma rolling, where the larger needles are placed across the skin to help break that outer layer of dead skin cells so that products can penetrate much better. However, not everybody's up for the needles, and not everybody is adept at using those derma rollers, so oftentimes it's really better for an in-office visit, but that can cost you up to $300 or $400. So I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use this device. I've been using it for about 6 months now. And I want to talk a little bit about how it works, because when you understand how something actually works, it usually will help you use it better. This device uses an ultrasonic technique. Think of it as super fast vibration that aerosolizes the serums that you place in it. Now, we all know that a lot of skincare molecules don't have an easy time penetrating the skin surface. This device turns those molecules into a micro mist and then propels them quickly at your skin, making the skincare ingredients you're using 90% more effective. Now, there are different formulations that dermatologists have designed for this device to combat a wide array of signs of aging issues on the skin. And one of the great things I think about Droplet as a company is they have done very detailed clinical studies on the effectiveness of taking these serums that have been developed for this device and how well they work for people. They include those studies on the website under each formulation that goes with this device. And they've combined some of the serums that work well together into bundles or routines that you can use to help get very effective results with your skincare. You can see here they have a radiant detox regimen, and they have a tranexamic eraser regimen, which is great for those of you dealing with hyperpigmentation issues. We've talked about the efficacy of tranexamic acid as a melanin buster on the skin, providing a lot of relief for age spots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. They also have a skin rejuvenating growth factor regimen. We've talked about growth factors and the importance of those in skincare, especially as we get older, as they help cells regenerate more healthy cells, which also helps to keep cellular turnover sped up so that our newer, younger looking skin makes it to the surface much faster. They also have a wrinkle repair regimen. That's the one that I have and have been testing out, which contains 0.15% retinol and also a collagen serum. So you can alternate these. They give instructions, as you can see here on the box, to tell you what the product does and how often to apply it. Now, the device comes with a charger, obviously to keep it charged, and the charge lasts about 2 weeks, or it did for me with daily use. Very easy to use. This is what the capsules look like. They're very small. They have a groove, so you make sure you put them in right. Very easy. You pop up this little silver lid. You pop the serum in, as so, let it make contact, and then you press a button. Now you can see how the serum product is being forced out, and you'd simply glide this across the skin. I like to follow the outer contours of my face first. That way I'm ensuring I get everything and I move forward towards the nose. All right, now my face feels dewy and refreshed and cool and very, very damp from the mist. Obviously, if you decide to use a device like this, you need to be applying the serums to clean skin. Follow the directions. Very important thing to do. One note that I had to learn myself the hard way: you will know if you do not have the device close enough to your skin because you will fog yourself. And believe me, when you breathe in a bunch of that ingredient, you'll know it. So be sure that you hold the device according to directions close enough to the skin so that your skin is getting the forced nature of these ingredients rather than you breathing them in. So my final thoughts from an esthetician standpoint about the Droplet: is it worth the money and does it really help? First and foremost, I like the fact that it allows you to apply product to your skin without having to move your fingers around and stretch your skin to get it on. It also helps to measure out ingredients in a proper amount for your skin. So it can do a lot of decision making for you when you decide to use a device like this. It is science-backed. The studies that I read are very solid. Does everybody have to have one of these to get great skincare? Obviously not. But if a device like this is in your budget, can it bump up your skincare routine and give you better results more quickly? Yes, absolutely it can. Also, if you decide to use the Droplet device, please come back to the video and let us all know how it worked out for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin aging, be sure that you join me in this video that's coming up next. You're going to find it exciting and helpful. Thank you guys for watching today and supporting the channel. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.